Now the orientation of the power supply for me is that I've had the outlets, or where the power is connected, at the back of the machine. So the LCDs will be at the front where I'll stand, power cables will come out the back, USB will come out the back. That's the gap I was talking about. That's where the power supply will come out to power the boards. You could place this way, that way, so there's three different ways. So I've placed it there, quite solid. But now, your next decision is where to place the board. The board can fit in many positions, but one of the limiting factors is the ability of the USB lead to bend. When you put it in, you mount it on the side here. Say you want it that way. The actual USB lead does not allow it to bend down. So you have to jack it up higher. So I've tried lots of variations, and it would be nice to be able to read the board like that, and it tells you where all your steppers go, that sort of thing, and have it sitting like that. But I found the easiest way is to just feed it through the back hole, have it sitting there. Now, it can go back further, but again, the USB lead fouls on there. So the position is roughly there. So you've still got the flexibility there. You can move it over this way, so the power cables will come up into here, so they can run up through here to there. Then the other power cables can go like such. There are some holes already tapped in the bottom of the power supply. I was going to drill and have some nut certs. If you look at my video on nut certs, they're a very good way to put in threads in sheet metal and plastic, that sort of thing, and drill them with the same pitch as the Arduino board. But not many people would have the ability, so all I'm going to do is make up one plate that's big enough to fit through there, and then drill matching holes and use the nylon standoffs to lift this up. So that will be the next step with that. But the reason why we're up to this stage is I'm looking at fitting the fan, the electrical cabling. The reason why we're up to this stage is that I'm testing the electrical cable lengths. Now this is a black wrap that comes with the kit, and that is how long it wraps around the cabling. So now that I've decided to run it to the bottom, this cabling will need to come down to the board. So then it needs to be checked to see how high it goes up and where it goes. Also with the fan, I fitted the supplied fan. Now it has that type of connector, and the lead is only that long. So you'll have to get cabling yourself and a plug to make it up. Now I like using the JST BEC. They're the power supply ones for quadcopters, that sort of thing, and these are easily available off eBay. A couple of bucks for sets of 10, male and female. So that's just cabling with that removed, but I will get the solder, male on, and then on the other end solder some lead with the female in, and then you can have quick connects and that will fit. So you need to work out your extra wiring that doesn't come supplied. I've already connected mine to the Z micro switch. So that will then be connected. So you need additional cabling, connectors that are not in the kit. So it's up to this stage. I had to get to this stage to know what wiring I need to get and how long. So I thought I'd show you this at the moment before I show you how to continue on with the assembly, because you need to order parts now, so as by the time you're up to it you have actually got them off eBay. So I'll talk to you about fans next.